Hello everyone and welcome back to AM Hooked. I'm Anastasia. Sorry I haven't done a video recently. I've been pretty busy and having some website issues, but getting them resolved. I've got a new tutorial ready to go for you, but right now I'm doing a Lion Brand Yarns unboxing video. Look at that beautiful logo. Okay, let's see what we got. Alright, opening it. Come visit to get 20% off your entire purchase at our retail outlet in Carlstadt, New Jersey. Ooh. And they sent me a pamphlet of 5 crochet accessories that you can make. Isn't that nice? Packing slip from them. Okay. So this is Touch of Cashmere. And it definitely feels like it has some cashmere in there. In the colorway Bayberry. So we've got Touch of Cashmere, which is beautiful. It's a weight 4 medium yarn, and it's 90% acrylic and 10% cashmere. And this is the colorway Bayberry, number 172. It's very soft. Alright, now we got a brand new one from them, Boogie Nights. And look how sparkly this is. I love it. It's another soft yarn. We got color 149 Joker. And it's a weight 5 yarn. So it's a little bulkier than the other stuff, as you can see, but it's not too bulky. We got another brand new one from them called Rebound. And this is a colorway of Pogo Stick, number 505, and it's 100% nylon, so this has a lot of stretch, a lot of bounce, and this is a weight 4 yarn. And I love these colors. Alright, now to the big guys. We've got Comfy Cotton Blend, because everyone should know by now that I love my cotton blend yarns. This is a cake, 392 yards. It actually is considered a light yarn, weight 3. This is the colorway Cloud 9, number 708. And even though it's a weight 3, to me it looks kind of comparable to weight 4, but look at that beautiful color texture. I just love that. Okay, and now for the big guys. This is called Feels Like Butter, and this is 590 yards. It's a weight 4 yarn. And this is the colorway Buttercup in number 187. And this is just, it really does, it feels like butter. Wow, it's so soft. Okay, and then in this plastic, oh no, Boogie Nights just ran away, is a Pound of Love. And let me put this down so that I can feel it for you, give you a, gotta feel the yarn. This is very soft, like for, one of their more economical yarns, like, it's very soft, much softer than like a Red Heart Super Saver. And this has 1,020 yards in it. And it's weight 4 again. And it's 100% acrylic, premium acrylic actually. And this is in the colorway, if I can find it on here, such a big package. Colorway Succulent, number 116. And that is my Lion Brand yarn Foxy Glove. And I can't wait to start using these for the tutorials and my projects. Thank you so much to Lion Brand Yarn. Special shout out to the Carlstadt, New Jersey team. Thank you for tuning in to AM Hooked, and stay tuned for a new tutorial on my own pattern for a lightweight summer headband. Thanks for watching. Bye.